Hello there, my name is Pranav Jhandyal, but you can call me PJ. Before I dive into how I can help you transform in your fitness and health journey, let me share a bit of my own personal health journey with you. Just a few years ago, I was in the same position as you are, weighing over 100 plus kgs, feeling low on confidence, low on energy, and was feeling stuck. I was in an IT job, juggling long work hours. In the whole process, my health took a backseat. But finally, I decided that it's time to change. Through hard work, consistency, and most importantly, finding my own style of fitness helped me lose over 20 plus kgs, and that actually transformed my life. The journey wasn't just about losing weight. It was about regaining confidence, energy, and having control over my health. After doing these transformations for myself, look at me being fat, then getting fit, again getting fat, and getting to a state finally which I can sustain for a lifetime with a 10 to 15% error of margin. That is what I want for you, to understand health in terms of long term. You want to be fit in your 30s, in your 40s as well, right? You want to be a fit old person, which is at the age of 60, you should feel fit.
तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे उससे कि हाँ हम कुछ ऐसा सीख रहे हैं जो कि हम डेली लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल,
ये नहीं कि सिर्फ जिम में जाके करना है वो चीजें।
एग्जैक्टली। मेरे को तो तेरे फेस से ही डिफरेंस लगता है, फेस का कट चेंज हो गया।
मैंने पहले भी एक दो जनों से डिस्कस किया और तो वो ना अपना एक गाइड चार्ट होता है, इसको फॉलो करो। वो कभी फॉलो नहीं हुआ।
एग्जैक्टली,
बट इसमें क्या था अलग, मेरे को क्या लगा कि मेरे लाइफस्टाइल को नोटिस हुआ, वो लाइफस्टाइल इंप्रूव किया गया।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो जब अपना लोगों ना स्टाइल में फिट, वो रियल में स्टाइल में ओके हो रहा है, मतलब
बहुत बढ़िया। कोशिश कर रहे हैं जितना फोल्ड ना हो, जितना स्ट्रेट पीछे जाए उतना ज्यादा अच्छा है।
मेरा पैड भी एप्स में कन्वर्ट हो गया, ऐसा लगता है, पता नहीं क्यों।
At Style में Fit, we understand that every journey is unique. That's why our program is tailored to fit your lifestyle. No matter how busy you are, our approach is super simple and effective, focusing on personalized fitness plans, sustainable nutrition, and ongoing support.
Taking forward whatever I've learned with you and the great help that you and the team have given me has been quite useful. Thank you so much.
जो बॉडी में फिजिकली जो मेरे को लगा वो धीरे धीरे स्टेमिना बिल्डअप हो रहा था एंड हैमस्ट्रिंग्स वगैरह मेरे एकदम लॉक थे फर्स्ट से कंपैरिजन में, तो वो मेरे को लगा धीरे धीरे ओपन हो रहे हैं एंड ये वाला शोल्डर मेरा हमेशा ब्लॉक रहता था। इसमें भी काफी रिलीफ मिल रहा है, नेक पे रिलीफ रहता है एंड बैक पेन भी नहीं रहता।
We basically have these three pillars on which our life is based. The first one is health, second is wealth, and the third one is your relationships. Once any of the pillar is weak or gets weak because of certain activities, the other two pillars are also shaken up. What I want you to do is understand your health pillar so that you can give strength to the other two important pillars of your life. After doing my own transformation and after working with so many people, getting them transformed, these are the three core principles that I learned, which I call as the Style में Fit tripod of transformation. Here you go with the three principles. The first one is called as mindful eating. Mindful eating is basically understanding what your food comprises of. What are my protein sources? What are my carbohydrate sources? What are the fat sources? So that when I go out in the real world, right, when I'm going to eat out a buffet, I should know what my food options are. We have been eating from so many years, 20 years, 30 years, 35, 40 years of our life, eating 3 meals per day, but we don't even realize that the very basic thing that we are doing, how to do that properly. That is where mindful eating gives you a deeper insight about your food so that you form a healthy relationship with your food for a long term. The second principle is called as SMS conditioning, and it stands for strength, mobility, stamina. When I say strength, I don't mean lifting 100 kgs in the gym. What I mean is that doing your basic day-to-day tasks should become easier for you. It should not be a struggle. Let's say tomorrow you have a situation where you have to change a gas cylinder at your own home. Is that something that you can do easily? If not, then you need to develop strength. That basic strength for doing your basic everyday tasks. When it comes to mobility, I think of joints. Your joints should have good range of motion. Your joint health should be proper. Should not have any kind of back pain, shoulder pain, or any kind of pain, especially in your 20s, in your 30s or 40s. And the third aspect is stamina. If I tell you to climb 2 flights of stairs and come back, you should not feel out of breath. That's stamina. And the third principle, which is the last one and the most important out of them all, known as longevity. Finding something that is sustainable for you in the long run. Finding your own style of fitness, that's how you will be able to sustain a transformation in long run and be fit in your 20s, in your 30s, in your 40s, and even in your 60s. With these three core principles in mind, I have formulated an ironclad method that takes you from where you are right now to your dream physique and help you understand your own style of fitness. The method is called as Sustainable Metabolic Flexibility, and it's your journey to a fitter and healthier you. This journey is divided into 4 phases. Think of it like the bricks you lay when you are building your home, one on top of another, and that's how you build a beautiful home. What's the first thing you do when you start building a new home? You set the right foundation. That's where the phase number 1 is the foundation reset phase. That's where you set the right foundation for your fitness journey. We understand the importance of nutrition and clean eating. You will learn how to quantify your food, eliminate unhealthy options, and set a super strong foundation for your fitness journey ahead. After setting the right foundation, we step into phase number 2, which is the metabolic shift phase. This is where the magic starts to begin. In this phase, we train your body to use fat for energy efficiently. Once we do this, your hunger hormones, leptin and ghrelin, start to give you proper signals. This is done by introducing concepts like intermittent fasting and low carb approach into your lifestyle. Since this is a completely personalized program, we keep adjusting the protocols according to how you are responding, how your body is performing with those protocols, and your lifestyle. After this is done, we enter into phase number 3, which is the peak fat burn phase. I also like to call it transformation complete phase. This is where we apply advanced nutrition and exercise protocol to accelerate your fat loss and reach your transformation goal. Everyone spends different amount of time in the peak fat burn phase depending on where they are starting from and what is their goal weight. After you achieve your physique and your weight goal, we lay the final brick by entering into the 4th phase of the program, the final one, called as the freedom phase. After following so many different protocols with us in the first 3 phases, now you understand your body better. You know this is something that works for me. If I eat this kind of food, it makes me feel good. If I do this kind of activity, it makes me feel energetic. I don't have any more back pain when I do these mobility drills. So now it's time for you to formulate your own plan. We test and refine your plan together, ensuring you have the tools and knowledge to maintain your progress for life. And finally, you have found your own style of fitness. This is where I declare you as Style Me Fit. The most important thing to remember here, I have a magic wand. If I swing it, it works. It only works if you work. All I'm looking from your side is your commitment to the process. If you are ready to commit to the process, if you are ready to put in the effort, I am here to get you the results 100%. Are you ready for a jaw-dropping transformation? Are you ready to take your health from here to here? Are you ready to experience the high energy? Be highly efficient in your work. Put your health in the front seat and enjoy your life and get rid of all your so-called metabolic diseases. If you are ready, I'm ready to take you there. Book a consultation call with me right away from the link below. Let's plan your journey together and let's find your style of fitness. If you snooze, you lose. Jai Mata Di. I'll see you on the call.